Nice. Wait. Brush it off.
Brush
it off.
There you
Brush
go.
it off.
Manpower. Look at this one. Go ahead and stretch.
You're fighting?
Oh.
So where are we going?
Hold on, fellas.
Come here. Okay, just go practice. Go throw somewhere, like over there. Until she comes, okay? Okay, throw. Oh, you gonna kick? Okay. How about you kick over there? Come and grab the ball. Or throw, at least.
Support kick.
You kick?
Your fight burnt. That's what I was smelling. I was like,
I know, I just smelled it when you went in.
you want to drink? Come drink, because it's hot. Come drink and then go back and play. I love it. Here, drink, because it's hot. Drink. Good, huh?
Like, is it black?
Come here, huh?
Is it black? Okay. It's time to get a yelling from also.
Wait. What? Wait, but
Brush it off, good boy. You better brush it off.
brush it off. Brush it off. Like this is what you do to it. Brush it off. There you go.
Good boy.
Good boy. You can take a break, Bubba. You can rest if you want. That's it. Hey.
No, Baba, you be nice.
Wiggle your little one. Move.
He just wants to push. What? No!
Go. Shoot inside, Bubba. Aim for the inside. Yeah, shoot in.
Oh, I thought he said
Almost.
Aiden.
No, like shoot inside so that it practices throw.
No, I thought he said Aiden.
Yeah, go. Shoot inside.